So, hello everyone. Uh, how many people have joined? So, welcome to Samruddha Bharat Jagruti Entrepreneurs Rocket Ship. I am Prachi Borkar and I am the founder of Samruddha Bharat Jagruti. तो आज का सेशन है जिसमें हम एक अवार्ड विनिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर को हमने बुलाया है जिनका नाम है प्राची सोटे एंड ये एंटरप्रेन्योर्स रॉकेट शिप के द्वारा आप काफी सारे लोग आपके जिंदगी में जो भी आप बिजनेस कर रहे हैं उसके लिए आपको काफी सारे लीडरशिप के लेसन्स मिलेंगे किस प्रकार से प्राची मैम ने किस प्रकार से अपने बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाया है एंड शी हैज डन सो मेनी थिंग्स so I will just give a short introduction about her that what she does. So Prachi Sote, she is the CEO of Skylark Automation and she is an award winning global entrepreneur and youth icon and she has also been awarded as the COVID Warrior Global Award. In COVID, she has done many good work, and she is the editor of Maha News. She is the director of Artha Mudra Nidhi Bank, and she is also the president of Adarsh Sangram Party Mahila and Children Wing, and she is president of Wiki Indian Peru and Bilateral Business. So she is into many things. She is into a business. She is into social entrepreneurship. She is into press, media, and so today we have invited her to share her success story, that how she achieved all this and what made her, what inspired her to do it. So, Prachi ma'am, welcome to Samruddha Bharat Jagruti Entrepreneurs Rocket Ship. And we have many members today. So, I think today's session would be great, and we would have great learning and inspiration from you that how you started it and how we can work in COVID. So, Prachi ma'am, can you please share your success story, like how you started and what was your inspiration and what inspired you to become an entrepreneur?
First of all, thank you so much, Prachi ma'am, for giving me such a wonderful platform. And I'm so happy that someone is conducting my interview and she is a woman. So I'm happy for that. And I'm in Samruddha Bharat Jagruti. Means नाम में ही दम आहे. नावातच खूप दम आहे. समृद्ध भारत म्हणजे अक्षरशः तुम्ही खूप छान नाव दिलंय. Wonderful name, wonderful platform, wonderful lady, and wonderful program. Thank you so much. See, basically business, I'm not from business background. I think business is nothing but it's kind of an integration. It's kind of a networking. If you have a good network, if you have good market research, you have market analysis, you have good connects, you can do anything. First, you need to understand your targeted audience. You should understand your product. What is the main requirement of your client? Then you can understand, you search on that, you dig information, you go, you can bang on. That is my personal opinion. And first of all, previously I was working with my spouse. Then after some time, I've decided to go alone. Now I'm running alone, but I am achieving a lot. I know I have to achieve a lot because I'm a big dreamer. I don't want to stop because I have also removed brake from my particular vehicle. I think if you want to go beyond the brakes, you have to think out of the box. An idea is no one's monopoly. If you want to go in business, if you want to run your organization, you should have some planning. Because I think you can't be a social entrepreneur without a specific target, specific implementation, specific planning, specific goal. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि आपको बिजनेस करना है तो उसके लिए आपके पास एक छोटा सा आइडिया चाहिए. आइडिया को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए आपके साथ लोग चाहिए और लोगों के साथ आपका अच्छा कनेक्शन चाहिए. सो दैट यू कैन अचीव अ लॉट. अगर बिजनेस आपको बढ़ाना है तो उसके लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट आपका आइडिया है, देन आपका प्रोडक्ट है, मार्केट रिसर्च है, देन योर टैलेंट, योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल प्लेज अ वाइटल रोल इन एनी बिजनेस. अभी मेरी जो एंटरप्रेन्योर जर्नी है वो बहुत ही स्ट्रगलिंग है बिकॉज मेरे चाइल्डहुड से मैंने सेलिंग सीखा है. मेरे मम्मी का शॉप था वेजिटेबल का, वहां पे मैं जाती थी उनके साथ. तो वहां पे मैं एक्चुअली आई वाज अ टॉपर स्टूडेंट ऑफ माय स्कूल. मैं स्कूल में फर्स्ट कभी नंबर छोड़ती नहीं थी. तभी से मैंने डिसाइड किया था. और मैं बहुत बड़ी देश प्रेमी हूँ. मुझे जैसे आपने समृद्ध भारत बोला तो मेरा रग रग में मेरा खून खोलने लगा. मेरा देश प्रेम जागृत हो गया और मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है मुझे एक्चुअल में दिस इज द राइट टाइम वेयर आई हैव टू डू समथिंग फॉर माय कंट्री. अभी सोल्जर लोग जा रहे हैं वहां पे, ऑलरेडी उन्होंने मिशन किया है, बट व्हाट अबाउट अस? घर में बैठ के हमें कुछ ना कुछ करना है कंट्री के लिए, एंड दिस इज द राइट टाइम। तो मैंने तभी से डिसाइड किया था, मेरे बचपन से मुझे मेरे देश के लिए कुछ करना है। कब करना है, कैसे करना है, कुछ पता नहीं था, बट एक सिंपल आइडिया, सिंपल लॉजिक था। देन मम्मी के साथ मैं काम करती थी, उसके बाद में मैंने पढ़ाई करके मैंने खुद को बहुत स्ट्रांग किया, और आफ्टर सम टाइम मुझे एक एक चीजें मैंने सीखी। मेरे जब तक मेरा स्कूलिंग था तब तक मैंने प्रॉपर किया, उसके बाद मेरा कॉलेज आ गया, तो कॉलेज का पढ़ाई किया मैंने, वहां पे भी आई हैव डन अ लॉट। मैंने फॉरेन लैंग्वेज सीखा, अलग अलग कंट्रीज के लोगों से टाई अप किया, अच्छी चीजें सीखी, खुद के बलबूते पे, किसी का सपोर्ट नहीं था। आफ्टर मैरिज आई हैव सीन समथिंग, देन आई रियलाइज मेरा जो मोटो है, मेरा जो टारगेटेड है, मेरा जो एक्चुअल में मुझे गोल, यूनिवर्स ने मुझे क्या दिया है, तो मैंने मेरे खुद के ऊपर वर्क करना चालू किया। देन आई स्टार्टेड माय कंपनी स्काईलार्क ऑटोमेशन। उसके बाद मैंने स्काईजिल सॉफ्टवेयर चालू किया। आफ्टर दैट मैंने बैंक में भी एंट्री किया। अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा चालू है जर्नी।
Okay, okay. So, what you do every day to motivate yourself? Like
See,
every day there are some struggles, every day there are some challenges, and not every day is same for all of us. Everyone has their own personal issues, health issues, and right now the COVID is also going on. So how you motivate yourself as an entrepreneur that you are dealing with so many people every day, so much of stress is there, and also you need to focus on your personal life also. So what you do every day to motivate and energize yourself? We all want to know that.
thank you so much. This is a wonderful question, because see, I believe in meditation. As you are also meditation person, I know you have so much caliber. You have done a lot in your field, mental healthness, or a medical field, or that particular meditation. So I personally a Vipassana follower. I wake up early in the morning at 4:30. I try to do my meditation at least for 2 hours daily. I follow some spiritual paths, spiritual rules, and I think because of my spiritual power, I'm here. I'm talking to you because I've seen a lot in my life, but still I'm strong. I don't have any personal tension. I don't have any mental illness, no mental any problem, because I'm working on my personal goal, personal passion, and dreams. I think meditation plays a vital role in your particular life, because if you are struggling and if you are lots of stress in day-to-day life, we are all are struggling, we have obstacles, but if you want to cross that particular barrier, you should have some spiritual background or spiritual path, then anything can be easier. So I follow meditation daily. After that, I personally believe in hard work and smart work, so I do that. I follow these simple techniques.
Yeah.
Hard and fast work.
Yeah. So I think as entrepreneurs, we all have our own stress relief ways, which most of the entrepreneurs say that I'm not able to handle the stress. So as a motivational speaker, I always tell entrepreneurs that you should have something, do something which you like. कितनी भी आपका दिन बिजी हो, कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा करो जिससे आपको खुशी मिले, जो आपका पर्सनल, आपका कोई हॉबी हो, आपको यू लाइक रीडिंग बुक्स, यू लाइक लिसनिंग म्यूजिक, आपको अपने आप को हाफ एन आवर, एटलीस्ट हाफ एन आवर देना है। आप कितना भी बिजी हो, सुबह या शाम, और रोज आपको वापस आने के बाद, वंस यू कम बैक फ्रॉम वर्क, you just need to release and let go all the stress and tension. So Prachi
Yes.
ma'am, just tell us that how as an entrepreneur, when there is business loss, when things are not working out, that is the toughest time of an entrepreneur, when everything goes for loss. He has put so much of in his business, so how we should face it? I'm sure you must have also faced some losses and still you are here today. So what we should do when we fail in our business?
Yeah, thank you so much for this question. I think every coin has two sides, head and tails. So you should know about merits, demerits, advantage, disadvantage. So you should focus on what are the advantage. You should work on disadvantage also. You should learn from your mistakes, because I think time is more than money. So if you want to run fast, you should value your time, and you should respect others also. So first you need to understand how you can tackle your obstacles, how you can cross your barriers. For that, you should have your own mental power, own meditation power plays vital role in this all the obstacles. So you have to cross that obstacle with your power. And for that, you should have some background where you have some hobbies. You can entertain yourself. You should have your own, particular things where you can access anything.
Yes, 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 yes. So many businessmen, they have gone into depression, and they are not finding
Yes,
any
yes.
ways right now in COVID. Many businesses are closed. So what hope we can have in what changes we can make in our thought process in COVID? Even if there is COVID, there are so many businesses which are not running that well because it is not the customer's need. So how
Yes.
the businessmen should create a positive attitude, what they should do so that if one business has failed, then they can start another business. So what
See,
attitude they should carry?
See, they need to be positive, because I hope never to stop dreaming, preparing yourself, being ready to see what's next. So always be happy, be positive, and try to search, try to dig information what's going on outside, what are the new things in coming up in world, what we can do for others. So simple thing, you should learn and learn. Keep on learning. And in this COVID situation, I think, see, there are lots of opportunities in market. Third, you have to work on your own opportunities. Like, don't use people opportunity. That is a simple funda you need to follow. And first, you need to understand how is market going on. See, I know in COVID there are lots of losses. People are not getting jobs, but there are positive things also. Now you should turn on positive points. You should work on that. Let's say in COVID situation we are not getting job. It's okay. You can start your online business. You can search what can I provide to COVID people. For that, you should know your things, your caliber. So work on your skills, work on your caliber. Nothing is impossible in this world, because the word says impossible and possible. You should work on your own skill. And in COVID also there are lots of opportunities. For example, for COVID patient we can provide automatic sanitizer machine. That's what we are doing. We have started our own COVID center. In that we are providing everything from, let's say, bed. If you are a furniture provider, you can provide beds. If you are a sanitizing machine, electronic industry, you can provide automatic sanitizer. If you have any healthcare related product, you can provide healthcare activities. So there are lots of opportunities in market. In COVID also people are earning a lot. See, there are lots of opportunities. You should find out opportunities. Idea is there. You should work and you should act and you should earn. You can get lots of, you can earn in CR. Because if you want to export anything from India to abroad, that's easy. You have to work on your contacts. How I can leverage this contact? How I can leverage this platform? So I think there is nothing impossible in this world. So work on your talent. That's it.
Okay, okay, fine. So there are many opportunities right now. Yeah, even in COVID, that's what Raj is telling us, that don't lose hope. Even if your one business is shut down, even if you don't have a job, even people who are not getting job, you can go and do job in companies which are running right now and which are growing. And also you can tie up, like according to me, if you have a particular business and that's not working out right now, you can tie up with companies which are working good, and you can be a marketing partner. You can give them services. So that's what Prachi is telling everyone. And to me, my definition of COVID is P stands for courage, O stands for opportunity, then V stands for variation and change. You need to bring the variation and change in COVID. And I stands for intelligence. So use your intelligence as much as you can. Do hard thinking. किस प्रकार से आप even in this crisis you can get more opportunities, do networking and grow your business. And last but not the least, be just stand determined even in this situation. Because if you are determined in this situation, then you can face any situation, because this is the toughest time that the world is experiencing right now. अगर इस टाइम पे आप सरवाइव करिए तो आपको जिंदगी में कोई भी ऑब्स्टेकल रोक नहीं सकता. So that's what we need to bring out all these qualities inside us: courage, be opportunist, create more opportunity for us, bring change inside us, be more intelligent and determined. So that is what this COVID is asking us to do right now. And so the next question is, Prachi, what is leadership according to you? What is leadership? How you can be a business leader? What qualities a businessman should have so that he becomes a global leader? A
Yes,
businessman or
thank you so.
businesswoman?
Yes, this is my favorite question. You must say, because leadership
Yeah.
is in my blood. See, I know I want to be leader. I want to be global leader, but for that I know my caliber. I can be because I'm a leader. See, I don't see leadership is not about title or designation or your particular thing. It is about giving people opportunities, running behind them, giving them some platform, empowering them. See, leadership is nothing but it's kind of networking, and you should have strong network. If you want to be good leader, global leader, first understand people. Try to be, we can say like that. If you want to be a global leader, it's not that much easy, but it is easy also. First, you need to understand people's mentality. Emotional intelligence plays vital role in this area. And leadership is nothing but it's kind of empowering people. That's it. I follow Poonam Barua. Have you heard about Poonam Barua, ma'am? She's a good leader. She has written one book, Leadership by Proxy. And I am great fan of Poonam ma'am. I follow her advice. I read that book and I was so happy after reading that book. I inspired. And I try to inspire myself with the help of internet, with the help of these articles. I don't have anything. See, I'm not from business background, or I was not a rich person, but I know because I have my plans. So within 2 years, my picture will be different. I know that because I know my caliber to work on talent. I have to work with people. I don't want to rule them. I want to work with them. That's it. That
Yeah,
is
great,
leadership.
great. So yeah, so this is a very good definition of leadership. If you want to be a great leader, leadership doesn't mean power or control. Leadership means empowering people. When you put
Yes.
others in front of you, जब आप लोगों के बारे में सोच रहे हैं कि मैं मेरे एम्प्लॉइज को क्या दे सकता हूँ, ये नहीं कि सिर्फ हम सिर्फ
Yes.
काम करवा के ले रहे हैं अपने फायदे के लिए, अपने मोटो के लिए, because we want to become rich, because we want to become famous. I have seen many businesses, I have seen many companies and corporates, they just get the work done from the employees, and without thinking, without contributing to their employees' life, that what problem that employee is suffering. After all, that employee is working for our benefit and growth. So the company or the business owner should also contribute to the employee so that he can improvise in his life and he can also fulfill his dreams through your company. If you want to go ahead in a long way, then your company should contribute or you should contribute in their life in long term. उनके ड्रीम फुलफिल करने के लिए, जो उनके ड्रीम्स है, एक सर्वसाधारण आदमी के जो ड्रीम्स होते हैं, अगर वो ड्रीम्स फुलफिल करने के लिए आप कंपनी के एम्प्लॉइज को या अपने पार्टनर्स को आप ऐसा कुछ दे रहे हैं, तो ही वो आपके साथ लॉन्ग टर्म तक टिके रहेंगे. So that's what Prachi is saying, that we need to empower people. We don't need to rule them, because leadership is not control. Leadership is not having an authority कि आपको एक authority पे आप आ गए हैं तो आप लोगों को control करो, अपने फायदे के लिए उनसे काम करवा के लो. You have to simultaneously as an entrepreneur contribute in their life. You can't treat anyone as a slave. You can't treat anyone that that person is working under me, so I can say anything, I can abuse, I can say anything, I can shout. You don't have any right, because even that person is working for his family. So that's what Prachi is telling. So leadership is all about empowering people, growing your network, and also contributing in their life. So that's very, very important. So next thing that I want to ask you, as you are the you are also the head of Durga Foundation.
Yes.
So Durga Foundation is a women empowerment NGO, empowers women and works for safety and security of women. So Prachi, what is your plan, and how do you see India, like, because today, even if there are so many years which are passed by, the woman is still suffering. There is injustice in corporate, there is injustice at home. Still, there are so many successful women, even though they are successful in their field, they are suffering in their personal life. So what is your vision, and how do you see women in India? Like, what changes they should bring, and what is your plan about Durga to empower women in the coming 10 years? What you're going to do? So please share your plans about it.
Yes, thank you so much. See, Durga is not an organization. Durga is not a company, not an NGO. It's a mission for each and every woman. It is about women's security, gender justice, gender equality. We are a social sector organization where we are working on national issues like gender justice, gender abuse, or different things, domestic abuse. So this is all about empowering people with the help of proper issues. So my plan for Durga is that it is simple. See, I can't commit anything wrong. I know what is better for me, we can change our nation, because we want to shift their thinking. The basic funda or basic mission of Durga is that we are working on women's security. She should feel safe. We want to create safe places for each and every woman. So that is the basic motive of Durga Foundation. And in down the line, like in 5 years, we have several plans. So we will, release that plan shortly. Yes. This is a Bangalore-based foundation, and I am volunteer for Maharashtra. I can't say I'm a leader. I'm a volunteer for Maharashtra because we want to change in this country. We need to change and we need to shift all things. That is the main purpose of Durga.
Okay, okay. So
yes,
what advice you want to give to women entrepreneurs? That how they can
see,
now I think there are some women also in this group today. So what advice you want to give to women entrepreneurs that how they can empower themselves managing their personal life and their professional life?
See, first we need to be confident, because if you have a talent, if you have caliber, go and do. That's it. This is a simple technique, because I know if I have a power, I have a skill. See, the basic thing is that where there is a will, there is a way. इच्छा असेल तिथे मार्ग दिसेल. त्यामुळे you have to work on your willpower, your confidence level, your communication skill. Nothing is impossible. You can do. You can bang on. And each and every person is unique.
Yeah. So you need to be more confident, improve your communication skills, and whatever skills are required to be a woman entrepreneur or an entrepreneur, you just need to empower. You just need to learn that, as she said in the previous answers, that you need to be a learner. All the time you need to be learner, upgrade your skills and work towards it. And definitely a day will come when you will get the success. So Prachi, what is your vision 10 years down the line? Like what exactly you want to do in your life? Like you are doing so many things. You are a social entrepreneur, a businesswoman, and now you are in Adarsh Sangram Party, and also you are attached with MSME, Durga, and so many things you are doing. So what exactly is your vision 10 years down the line? That, as you said, that you want to be a global leader, right?
Yes.
So what you want to do 10 years down the line?
See, first I will share you my confidential thing about my business. Recently, we have tied up with EV projects. So we are working on EV manufacturing, EV electronic vehicle manufacturing. See, my father was auto driver. Because of some, critical situation, he has done that for 2-3 years. So I will produce first electronic rickshaw in India. So we are planning for e-vehicles. Wow. Electronic bike, Doom bike also we are planning everything. Prototype is ready. Within 5 to 6 months, we are launching this. Apart from that, we are also launching e-boat. Everything is ready. Technically, we are sound and we have done everything. So we will share our plan shortly. Within 5 to 6 months, we will launch all these vehicles, own vehicles, manufacturing.
Okay, great. So can you tell us about e-boat?
Yeah, of course. See, I think no one is working on e-vehicles. Everybody is working, but no one is working on army area, our national area. So for that, we are working on this e-boat project where we have to give gift to our nation, and we will export all these things. I want to change my in front of global people. They are thinking India, but we will show them what is India. भारत क्या है वो उनको समझना चाहिए. जैसे सोने की चिड़िया थी हमारा, सोने का दूर निकलता था, उसके बाद हमारा जो देश है एक्चुअल में गोल्डन है. तो हमें उनको दिखाना है. वी वांट टू शो देम हाउ इंडिया इज लाइक दिस. इंडिया इज माय कंट्री, ऑल इंडियंस आर माय ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर. हम बात करते हैं, बट एक्चुअली इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करने के लिए आपके पास वैसा आइडिया होना चाहिए, टेक्नोलॉजी होना चाहिए. जब तक टेक्नोलॉजी में कुछ करेंगे नहीं, तब तक हमें वो इम्पोर्टेंस कोई देगा नहीं. So you should work on technology. If you have talent, work on technology, plan it, execute it, and जो बोल रहे हैं वो करना है हमें. We don't want to give any fake commitment. We want to work on ground level. For that, our team is ready. We are working on that, and we will show them. That's it.
Yes, yes. So I think everyone here today is inspired by Prachi, that whatever she is doing, and she is really doing a great work and a great and whatever she is planning 10 years down the line is really going to bring a lot of benefit to India and the Indians. And maybe there are other plans also which she has, which may be coming 10 years down the line. You can see her maybe 5 years, 10 years, what she's doing. So, and especially for women, she wants to empower more women and help them at emotional, mental, financial level. So that is what is about Prachi. So I think I am done with my questions. Anybody right now has any questions for Prachi? किसी को कुछ भी सवाल पूछने हैं related to business, related to her, related to how you can motivate yourself? आप कुछ भी उनसे पूछ सकते हैं.
Prachi, one more thing I would like to add.
We will have, yeah, yeah.
Basically, I'm working for women, but I think women and men are equal. So I want to work for both of them because we are working on gender justice, gender equality. Because मराठी में बात करते हैं हम लोग, जैसे कि मराठी मध्ये काय म्हणतात की पुरुष आणि स्त्री ही दोन्ही पण एकाच रथाची चाके आहेत. म्हणजे आपल्याला सर्वांना घेऊन पुढे जायचं, नेशन आपल्याला बिल्ड करायचं आहे. मग विदाउट मेन वी कांट डू एनिथिंग. So we want to work with men also, means gender equality. First, we need to think about our nation, about country, then women and men. So that is a simple technique I am following. That's it.
Yes, yes, yes. So anybody has any questions for Prachi?
Hi Prachi,
Yes.
so what is that you're doing on the EV, Prachi? Where is it based and what is your plan? Because EV is picking up, India is going to be center for the EV in the coming year. Government is doing plenty of things. Like, so what is your plan and where are you going to do? We can work together.
Yeah. Sir, thank you so much for this question, and I'm really happy to connect to you, sir. Because of Prachi, I got this opportunity. So, talking about EV projects, we are working on e-rickshaw, e-boat, e-bike, and e-vehicles. For that, our prototype is ready. We are launching our product within 5 to 6 months. Everything is ready, and that will be different product because we are working on technical part, and I'm from technical background. So I think we are combining EV plus solar. We are giving combination. This will be gift to world, not only for India. We will export this product to other countries also, and this is a big plan, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Strategy is ready. Everything is already done, sir. We are implementing. Yeah, already.
We'll connect Prachi as.
Yeah.
Yes. We are now all the people who are there. जो भी लोग अभी है इधर, सभी लोग अपने business के बारे में share कर सकते हैं. Prachi ma'am is there. So Prachi, will you be there for the next, I think, 10 to 15 minutes, like 20 minutes?
Yes.
We will be sharing our businesses. So you will know what all people do again, and you will also get the opportunity to tie up with Prachi or do business with each other. So that is what this business club is all about. So yes. So Mr. Vijay, please give your introduction, like what you do, and yeah.
My name is Vijay Kumar Devarajan. I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Hope you know that. Okay, I finished my law there, and I used to work for a bank called HSBC, and then I moved to UK 15 years back. So we have a legal firm based in London. I'm a lawyer. We work with Indians in the UK and to help them to settle in the UK, apply for British passport, all those things. And apart from that, I do quite a few other business. And one of the business what we started is what you can see in my background. It's called Growth Launcher. So what we are doing is actually we are connecting with Indian startups, and we do a sort of a connect for them as a mentor connect for them to do the startups. Plus we also connect them with the funders. So basically, if any Indian startups starting a new concept, so what will happen is we will help them out to become as a business, and we help them to pitch for funding in the UK. So we got investors in UK seed funders and venture capitalists. They fund the startups. So we are doing this for the last 2 months, and this will be growing up. Henceforth, we may be doing 2 pitching every month, and we'll try to fund Indian startups to start the business. So that's
Okay,
what
okay.
I am. Does anyone want to connect with me? Please glad to do that. So
Yes, yes. So anyone who wants
Excellent,
funding,
sir. Excellent.
yes. So sir, you have sent. Can you just share your details once again on the chat? What
I'll
we
do
do?
that.
I think you've
I'll do
already
that,
sent.
Prach.
Yeah.
Yes.
Uh,
Yeah.
yes. So
And
Vijay Kumar
what I
sir
can
is
say is,
heading the
Prachi,
startup. Yeah.
sorry,
Yeah.
this is a very good effort. It's not that you're trying to connect people for them to make a business, which is very rare. I think we'll appreciate what you're trying to do, trying to help the community to grow.
Thank you.
And this is so nice. Normally, they don't allow to share the contact, so you're allowing everyone to contact. That's really good. I think people can take advantage of that.
Yes, yes. That is what is the main intention of Samruddha Bharat Jagruti. Because we are helping more and more entrepreneurs to come up. Even if someone is housewife, she has the capacity. Even if someone is self-employed, that person has the capacity to expand his business. So that is what is the main intention, that we want to make India prosperous. So that is why the name is Samruddha Bharat Jagruti. We are activating that prosperity consciousness within each and every Indian. And as Prachi said कि इंडिया सोने की चिड़िया थी, तो सिमिलरली हम इंडिया को ऊपर लाना चाहते हैं फिर से और एक बार, so that we become a global leader, because India is a spiritual country, and if you have that spiritual power inside you, if we activate the spiritual power inside every Indian, and nothing is impossible. India is a global leader, so that's what we are trying to do. So yes, and that's why this business club is there, that you guys can help each other, share contacts, and the most important thing is everyone in this group should know each other. किसी को भी किसी का रेफरेंस चाहिए होगा, जैसे आपका बिजनेस है, कल आप रेफर करेंगे, तो जितना आप बिजनेस क्लब में आते रहेंगे सभी लोग, आप एक दूसरे को जानते रहेंगे, and you will be generating business leads from each other. And as today Prachi has come, we will be inviting many other entrepreneurs, successful entrepreneurs, people who have made history, and so that we can learn from them and we can also grow. So yes, so Dr. Pankajini Mahali, you can just give your introduction.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Prachi ma'am, for inviting me and connecting all of us and doing great job actually to make India Samruddh. It's a great idea.
Yeah.
Congratulations और बहुत proud feel होती है कि we are also the part of your mission actually, and our mission is also going great. So now my mission is to help people around, and my family, my building is in contaminated zone actually now. That's why I'm unable to give my 100% because all of these are including me as a professional doctor. So I have to go for healing and giving too much of mental, emotional help to others, my all neighbors. और मिशन है कि इंडिया में हमारा भी हीलिंग माने people know how healing can help others. I'm in spiritually healing modalities. Also, I'm working in alternative sciences like therapy, programming by so many then emotional support. So many things are there. It includes laser therapy, magnet therapy. All this brings a new life to each and everyone. People have to believe upon all these alternative sciences rather than medicine. Medicine is good, but now the pandemic time is going on. You are observing so many troubles are coming in. Mane causes no cylinder, oxygen shortage, medicine short, bed short. In this moment, actually, only if we are positive, if we are doing taking proper diet, rest, we are happy, we are doing meditations, we are taking the help of alternative sciences, we will be stable and growth is there. सो इस तरह से हम लोगों को एक्चुअली बहुत सारा सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं, और ये अल्टरनेटिव साइंस इज अ गुड साइंस. ये जागृति लोगों में आनी चाहिए सो दैट दे आर नॉट पैनिक, rather they start up mane searching solutions to get up from all these things actually. So abhi photo hai, I am doing some groups meetings also, so that's all. और आगे
Okay.
अपने
So
मेडिकल और उसके मुझे कई सारे हेल्प चाहिए, एक्चुअली नॉलेज मिलेगा और आप सबका आशीष सही मेडिकल कर पाएगा। होप सो।
आपका मैम आवाज थोड़ा ब्रेक हो रहा है,
थैंक यू।
आप थोड़ा सा रेंज में आएंगे क्या? आपका आवाज थोड़ा ब्रेक हो रहा था।
मैं रेंज में हूँ मैम।
ओके, ठीक है। आपको लास्ट थिंग दैट यू सेड, यू आल्सो वांट टू स्टार्ट कैंसर हॉस्पिटल, फ्री कैंसर हॉस्पिटल।
या
Yeah,
इट्स माय
so she wants to start, so everyone who are there, yeah, उनको एक free cancer hospital चालू करना है, and she is a healer, she specializes in paralysis, cancer and any type of healing. Okay, so that's what Dr. Pankaj is doing, and she's a doctor, and being a doctor she shifted from being a doctor, like now she is into healing full time because she healed her cancer. Am I right, ma'am?
यस
She
यू आर
healed her
कंप्लीटली
cancer
राइट।
through healing, and without any medication she healed herself, and why she started
Yeah.
treating people after that. So she wants to start a free cancer hospital. So anybody who can just give her, connect her with the funders or people who are interested to start this hospital, so can tie up with ma'am. Yes. So next we will go to Ravindra sir. मैम आपके सभी लोग अपने डिटेल्स चैट पे भेजिए, फिर आई विल बी मेकिंग अ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप सो दैट ऑल वी कैन कनेक्ट ऑन व्हाट्सएप. सो मैम आप भी चैट पे भेज दीजिए सब कुछ. या सो मिस्टर रविंद्र, यस, what you do, and please tell us about your business.
I'm Ravindra from Nasik,
Hmm.
and I'm doing home delivery of all the vegetables and fruits. Nowadays, people are that means frightened to come outside from the homes, right? So we are doing this as a social service, and we are charging not more than market price.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Doing this in Nasik?
Hello?
Yeah, so you are doing this in Nasik?
Yeah, I'm in Nasik. Anywhere in Nasik, I can
Okay.
supply all the fruits and
Okay.
vegetables.
Okay, so what help you want from this business club to grow your business? Do you want it to start in other cities? आप दूसरे सिटी में चालू करना चाहते हैं, तो यहाँ पे ऐसे कुछ लोग हैं जिनको कोई नया बिजनेस चालू करना है related to what you're doing, so even they can start it. So you want to expand it?
Yes, I want to expand it, and I'm doing also other job also. Full-time job is somewhat different. I'm doing any of government documents. I am doing from Nasik. Government documents, like nowadays it is very important to have this one e-passes, right? So we are doing that in free of cost.
Okay.
And other any other upgradation, that is Aadhaar upgradation. Someone have to change their name and all these things.
Okay.
So actually, I want to expand my this one home delivery business of vegetables throughout Maharashtra.
Okay, okay, fine.
Thank you.
So Mr. Ravindra wants to expand home delivery of vegetables and fruits all over Maharashtra. कोई ग्रुप में है जिनको ये चालू करना है, उनके साथ टाई अप करके तो डेफिनेटली आप कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, आप सर मैसेज में डाल दीजिए आपका रिक्वायरमेंट, आप क्या करते हैं, एंड देन वी कैन वर्क आउट. यस. सो नेक्स्ट, या सो नेक्स्ट who can tell about their business? I think Galaxy M31, Sagar Kalal, Madan Lati. Yes, Sagar Kalal.
This is Sagar
Yes, sir.
Kalal. I am residing in Mumbai. I am working along with Prachi madam in Skylark and Durga Group, both. Prachi Jagtap
Okay,
madam.
okay, fine. Okay. So you want to share anything with anyone?
Actually, I was working in the field of wastewater for last 15 years before Corona came. Uh, so if any requirement for wastewater or this compost machine for this wet waste treatment, that also I'm doing. But right now I'm doing as a freelancer for that work and associated
Okay.
with Prachi madam for both the work.
Okay, okay. So whatever is your requirement, you can just put the details of your product in the group. Send me your number. Chat.
Yeah.
We will add. Yeah.
Okay.
So next, Mahesh
Should I
Bhagat,
send the number here?
Srinivas. Yes, yes. You can send on chat. Yes. Mahesh Bhagat.
Okay.
Everyone, you can just switch on your videos. Why? Because the more you you will be visible now, people will know you and you will be doing a business with each other. So वीडियो ऑन करके आप बोलिए तो ज्यादा बेटर होगा क्योंकि लोग आपको पहचाने. So M51, Amol, Mahesh, Srinivas, anyone can start. Srinivas, Mahesh Bhagat, Amol Godera. Sunita Mundada, Nashik. Yes, please share everyone. Mahesh Bhagat, Amol Godera, Galaxy M51. सुनीता जी आप शेयर कर सकते हैं. Galaxy M51 क्या करते हैं आप? Yes, anyone else want to share? Galaxy M51, Mahesh Bhagat. मैम आप वीडियो पे बताइए क्या करते हैं आप. सभी लोग सुनेंगे आप क्या करते हैं क्योंकि आपको फिर उससे हेल्प मिलेगा बिजनेस एक्सपेंड करने के लिए. तो एल्स आप ऑडियो पे बता सकते हैं और आपका नाम और नंबर चैट पे भेजिए. Anyone else? Srinivas, please start what you do. Tell people what you do. Am I audible to everyone?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, Prach.
Yeah. So please, everyone, please tell about your business so that you can expand it, because the more you say, the more you do your marketing, people will know about you. So yes.
I'm helping people for startup for employees to live financial free life. That's what I am helping.
Okay, so what is the name of your company and what you are doing actually with the employees?
Beyond 9 to 5.
Okay. So please tell what is your mission. I think you have started this, and tell people what is your mission, what you are doing
Mission
with
is to
this
help
beyond 9 to 5.
my mission is to help 10 lakh people to become free from the job, to live their financial free life. I see a lot of people who are struggling in their life. Myself, even working for 12 years, I know the pain of working professionals. Because being a pain employee life, I want to remove that pain. I want to help people free from their job. That's what my mission.
So Srinivas is having a startup, and he is helping job professionals to become financially free. That is what is a startup, because he is also working. So, and he wants job professionals to come out of that job cycle and become financially free and live a life that they want. So that is what is his mission. So anybody who is having people who want to be free from their job, find an alternative source of income, please refer him. Srinivas, please share your details on chat. Yes. Okay. And who else? Amol.
Hello everyone,
Yes,
this is Amol Godera from Pune, or I am into in business licensing. Means we do provide all types of business registration, licenses, and compliances. We do all these things for our client. My company name is AG Business Solutions. We do help to each and every person who is into business and want a service relating to business registration. Thank you
Okay,
so
okay,
much.
okay. Thank you. Please share all your details. And anyone
Sure.
else, Mahesh? Mahesh and Galaxy M31 और सुनीता जी आपका नंबर आपने डाला है चैट पे. सुनीता जी has given 9 digits. मैम आपका नंबर 9 डिजिट का है. नंबर पूरा डालिए. SK, please introduce yourself. Yes, Vijay
Hello.
Kumar ji, we will take that question about India-Peru business bilateral. Yes, once we just complete it. Yeah, SK, please tell us what you do.
I'm Sanjay Kontiskar from Pune. I am retired person from accounts department. I need to job on accounts. I'm learning graphic designing and other trading activities also.
Okay, okay. So SK is actually and he is having experience in accounts, and he is looking for job, as well as he's starting his own graphic designing firm, and also he's going to start his own trading firm, right?
Yeah.
So anybody needs any accountant for the company? Anybody needs an accountant, you can contact him. Yes. Please share your number, sir, on chat.
Yes. I'll share.
Yeah. So Prachi, are you there? I think Prachi has left. So Mr. Vijay Kumar, we can connect. You can connect with her personally. I'm going to make a WhatsApp group, so you can talk to her personally. I think she has left.
Okay, thanks, Prachi. Yeah.
From the yes. So anyone else wants to share anything? किसी को किसी से कोई हेल्प चाहिए, किसी को विजय कुमार सर से हेल्प चाहिए फंडिंग के लिए, प्लीज बात करिए, क्योंकि जितना बात करेंगे आपको उतना समझ में आएगा कि कैसे आगे जाना है. और किसी को कुछ पूछना है किसी से? सुनीता जी आपका नंबर आपने गलत डाला है. हाँ, यस.
हेलो एवरीवन, गुड आफ्टरनून. मैंने अभी लेट ज्वाइन किया तो मैं पहले का नहीं सुन पाई, सॉरी फॉर दैट.
हाँ, इट्स ओके, बट आप राइट साइड पे आए, अभी आपका इंट्रोडक्शन हो रहा है, सो यू कैन टेल एवरीवन. या
तो मैं अकाउंट राइटिंग का काम करती हूँ और मेरा पापड़ का ट्रेडिंग का बिजनेस मैंने अभी जस्ट स्टार्ट किया है. और ऑल टाइप के मेरा ग्राहक सेवा केंद्र है, नासिक से मैं बिलोंग करती हूँ.
अच्छा, ओके.
हाँ, तो मुझे मेरा अकाउंटिंग का जो बिजनेस है वो थोड़ा बड़े लेवल पे ले जाने का है. कि मुझे कंपनी और जो वेंडर्स है उनका सबका अकाउंटिंग एक ही जगह पे करने का है. तो जो सॉफ्टवेयर मुझे बनाने का है कि मुझे वहाँ पे जिनका मैं अकाउंटिंग करूंगी वो मैं अपनी जगह पे बैठ के उनका कर सकूं. तो मुझे सॉफ्टवेयर चाहिए और मेरा ग्रो करने के लिए मुझे थोड़ा गाइडेंस चाहिए.
Okay, fine. So anybody has any needs for software, you can just share with her. She wants to make a software for that. And also we have Prachi, she is also having a software company. जो हमारे guest थे आज, उनकी software company भी है. So even we can contact her for that. You can ask her for that. So and what else you said? You also do accounts. Accounts. You have your own grahak kendra and you have your own papad business.
पापड़ बिजनेस मैंने अभी स्टार्ट किया है. मेरा उसके लिए प्लानिंग है कि मुझे वो बड़े लेवल पे बनाने का है कि सभी प्रकार के पापड़ और मसाला है वो एक ही जगह पे मिले. अलग अलग.
You want more women?
अलग अलग.
You want more women to join you? हाँ.
क्या बोला मैडम, सुनाई नहीं पड़ा.
आपको और भी लोग चाहिए आपके साथ काम करने के लिए. You want more women to join you, right? Because you want to expand it. You want more distributor डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर भी चाहिए होंगे आपको जो आपका प्रोडक्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करे नासिक के बाहर, अदर सिटीज में, राइट?
राइट।
यस यस। तो मैम ये सब रिक्वायरमेंट आप ग्रुप पे डालिए। अभी मैं व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाऊंगी, उसमें आप सभी लोग एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, और जो भी है यू कैन कनेक्ट ऑन व्हाट्सएप। और किसी को कुछ शेयर करना है?
Prachi, hi, I would like to tell to Sunita ma'am to please connect me. Definitely I'll help you in your business.
अमोल जी से कनेक्ट करिए आप। अमोल जी आपका नंबर डाला है आपने?
नहीं, मैं डाल देता हूँ अभी तुरंत। I'll put my number.
या महेश भगत, महेश भगत यू आर अ प्रोफेशनल फोटोग्राफर, आपका इंट्रोडक्शन दे दीजिए, नंबर डालिए आपका। एंड सुनीता जी आपका नंबर फिर से डालिए, ये नंबर सिर्फ 9 डिजिट है। नंबर आपका 9 डिजिट डाला है आपने?
डाला है मैंने अभी।
थैंक्स। एसके आपको कुछ बोलना है, बोलिए।
मैं सुनीता मैडम को हेल्प कर सकता हूँ पुणे से। अगर बिजनेस बढ़ाना चाहते पुणे से, मैं अकाउंटिंग और कुछ रहेगा तो मैं हेल्प कर सकता हूँ।
ओके सर।
हाँ, SK is also into accounting, so he can help you. And Amol sir is also there for you to start and expand your in other cities. ठीक है? So and yes, so Prachi, you have joined. I think that was the last question from Mr. Vijay about India-Peru bilateral business.
Prachi, hold on. Your voice is not clear actually. There is some trouble in your voice.
Noise.
मेरा आवाज नहीं आ रहा है क्या?
Noisy.
एक मिनट, I will just switch off my video. हाँ, अभी आ रहा है क्या मेरा आवाज सबको?
नहीं.
Okay.
There is some range issue. So now?
Yes, correct. Now it is
Yeah.
okay.
I have switched off my video. Sorry for inconvenience. Prachi, Mr. Vijay wants to know about India-Peru bilateral business.
Yes. Should I continue, Prachi?
Yes.
Basically, Wiki is a platform, Women Indian Chamber of Commerce, and recently I passed my interview. I'm working with Wiki platform, and I'm right now president for India-Peru bilateral business. Like we are connecting India and Peru business bilaterals.
Yeah. So what is Wiki about? Yeah. What is Wiki about?
Okay, Wiki is a Women Indian Chamber of Commerce where all women get come together to fulfill our nation's business bilateral thing. So we have different platforms. There are different committees like anti-abuse committee, anti-corruption committee, business bilateral, then SME, MSME. There are lots of committees. There are 86 committees in this particular Wiki platform. So we are working with different women. So this is basically Women Indian Chamber of Commerce platform.
Okay, fine. Okay. Mr. Vijay, you want to ask anything more?
Yeah, is it only for women's, Prachi?
Wiki is only for women, sir. I will share you the website also, www.wiki.in.
Wiki, how do you spell it?
www.wicci.in. Should I type here?
Please type.
Yeah, please type.
Yeah, I will type. Wait a minute. Anything apart from this, sir? Wait a minute.
Yes. So Prachi, we have like discussed all the businesses as of now. महेश जी, आपने अपना शेयर नहीं किया। महेश भगत, प्लीज शेयर करिए आप क्या करते हैं। कुछ लोग बाकी है। M31 Mahesh Bhagat is a professional photographer. Okay, anybody needs the professional photographer can contact Mahesh. And Mr. Madan, you have joined now.
Yes.
Yeah, we can introduce yourself.
Yes. दे दूं? Yes. हेलो, आवाज आ रही है?
जी जी आ रही है.
हाँ, आवाज आ रही है. हाँ, नमस्ते जी सबको. मैं मदन लाठी. आई एम एमकॉम MBA and last year I retired and shifted to Pune, and I'm living with my son and doing job and seeking new other work and licensing work also, government licensing work. And I am connected already Prachi Jagtap ma'am also from last year in various their activities.
Okay, okay. So you are
Yeah,
doing licensing work. Anybody wants
yeah.
any help, you
Yes.
can contact him.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So
Okay.
I think there are everyone who has shared the details. Anyone who is
Yeah.
still there who want to share, or else we will end the meeting today. We had a wonderful session. So friends,
Yeah.
Prachi, you want to share any message to everyone?
Very nice session.
Yes. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Madan
Yeah.
sir. He's a great social worker, the plasma donor. So he has done a lot in COVID situation. Sir, please share your experience about COVID.
COVID is experience. शेयर करूं क्या? ऑलरेडी कर दिया हुआ है वीडियो वगैरह कर दिया है. चलो, लेकिन अभी आप बोल रहे तो कर देता हूँ. इन सितंबर में हम लोग
क्या था, बताओ सबको. आपने कैसे फाइट किया और अपने लोगों को सपोर्ट कैसे किया, वो बता दीजिए.
हाँ. हम सितंबर में डिटेक्ट हुए थे पॉजिटिव, और फिर बाद में प्राइवेट डॉक्टर के पास में पहले गए. प्राइवेट डॉक्टर इधर से उधर ये कर रहे थे, लेकिन फिर हमारे सोशल कांटेक्ट ज्यादा थे, जो फिर हम कमिश्नर को डायरेक्ट अप्रोच हुए PCMC के, और डायरेक्ट फिर उन्होंने हमारे को भेज दिया और इमीडिएटली VIP ट्रीटमेंट देके चालू हो गया हमारा ट्रीटमेंट. और उसके बाद में फिर करीब 12 दिन के बाद हम हॉस्पिटलाइज होने के बाद में फिर 14 डेज होम क्वारंटाइन हुआ. और उसके बाद में एक अपनी खुद की सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहती है, क्या जैसे हम लोग ठीक हुए हैं वैसे और दूसरे भी आने वाले लोग ठीक होना चाहिए. तो इसके लिए हमने प्लाज्मा का डिसीजन लिया, प्लाज्मा देने का. और फर्स्ट प्लाज्मा हमने दिया 7 नवंबर को. तो उसके वजह से YCM में दिया हमने, लेकिन उसके वजह से वहां पे 2 लोग उनको हेल्प हो गया. और सेकंड प्लाज्मा 12 दिसंबर को मैंने डिसाइड किया था, दिया भी ऑनरेरी शरद पवार साहब के बर्थडे के दिन. तो वो पहले उनको इंटीमेशन दिया था कि आपके बर्थडे को हम करने वाले. और उसी दिन एक पेशेंट 3 दिन से ICU में था, तो उनके बेटा ढूंढ रहा था कि मुझे B+ प्लाज्मा चाहिए करके. लेकिन कोइंसिडेंस मैं प्लाज्मा देने वाला हूँ उसके 1 घंटे पहले उनको मेरा नंबर ये हुआ और वो अप्रोच हुए और उनको प्लाज्मा दिया. आज वो आदमी सेफ अच्छी तरह घूम रहा है करके. तो वो एक हुआ है करके. और आगे फिर हमने वो डिसाइड किया है कि प्लाज्मा में भी हम काम कर रहे हैं करके. किसी को कुछ लग रहा है, जहाँ कम्युनिकेशन अपने साइड से हेल्प करते जा रहे हैं, जहाँ जो अप्रोच हो रहा है कि हमें बेड चाहिए है, अपने साइड से खुद ट्राई करते हैं, जितना जैसा होता है हेल्प करने का ट्राई करते हैं करके. ये करंट सिचुएशन में.
Great.
Excellent,
service
sir,
for,
excellent. I want to clap. Yes.
ये सोशल
Okay,
एक्टिविटी है.
so-
सोशल एक्टिविटी में जितना अब इस समय में क्या है, इसेंशियल है. यदि आज अपन किसी को करेंगे तो कल कोई अपने को भी करेगा. और ये किसी को हेल्प होना और उसको प्लस होना, जान बचना, ये सबके लिए बहुत अच्छा है करके. ये बाकी के पुण्य से तो बहुत अच्छा ही है करके. आज किसी को यदि मेरे घर में से कोई मेंबर यदि अच्छा हो जाता है तो मेरे और मुझे सब मेंबर को बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि अरे इनके वजह से मुझे प्राची मैम को सपोर्ट मिल गया और आज मैं स्टैंड हो गया करके. वो बहुत फीलिंग्स रहती है करके. वो पैसा देके मिलता नहीं है.
Yes. So that satisfaction by contributing to
So
others. that you cannot get by money. So even in COVID,
Yeah.
even if you have your own personal issues, guys, try contributing to others as much as you can. Spread more and more awareness about things which are lacking. So yeah, so please do it. Anybody wants to say anything, or should we end it?
और
Hello?
हमने
Ravindra wants.
मैम
Ravindra.
आई डोनेट
हेलो
संकल्प किया है लास्ट या बोलिए सर
Ravindra.
हेलो, मैं ऑडिबल हूँ सबसे?
Yes, yes, yes.
हेलो,
हाँ बिल्कुल
बोलिए प्राची.
या
Yes.
हेलो,
हाँ ऑडिबल है
हाँ
You are
हाँ,
audible,
audible है.
sir.
प्राची कुछ पूछ रहे हैं.
एक्चुअली मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि सब लोग बिजनेस के बारे में और इसके बारे में सोच रहे हैं. सब लोगों ने इस टाइप से भी सोचना चाहिए कि कोरोना ना हो, इसके लिए हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, कैसे प्रिपेयर हो सकते हैं, है ना?
नहीं कोरोना
Yes.
ना हो इसके लिए थोड़ा सा
Yes,
अपने को
sir.
प्रिकॉशन लेना है क्योंकि अभी
Yes.
लास्ट ईयर के कंपैरिजन में ज्यादा स्प्रेड हो गया हुआ है वो. हेलो
Committed.
नहीं, उसके लिए दूसरा एक चीज है, मेन है कि देखो हमारी बॉडी जो है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू अपने जो मेंटल पोजीशन है, ठीक है ना, मेंटल हेल्थ जिसको बोलते हैं, अगर हम लोग पॉजिटिवली उसके बारे में सोचेंगे तो विदाउट एनी मेडिसिन हम लोग उसको फाइट कर सकते हैं, है ना?
Right.
और
Right.
दूसरी
Yes.
चीज ऐसा है,
Yes. Right, sir.
हाँ, और दूसरा चीज ऐसा है कि कुछ एक ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस है कि जो अपने लंग में जो इन्फेक्शन है वो बाहर निकाल सकते हैं, है ना? अगर किसी को
Yes, yes,
चाहिए,
yes, yes.
हाँ, तो आप मुझे ये करो, मतलब मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर मैंने दिया हुआ है, वो उसमें अगर आप शेयर ये करेंगे, रिक्वेस्ट भेजेंगे तो मैं वो वीडियो आपको भेजूंगा, है ना?
आप ग्रुप में डाल दीजिए. वो अभी ग्रुप में बनाने वाली हूँ, उस
ठीक है.
ग्रुप में आप डाल दीजिए.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम,
हाँ.
बाय.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So what else? Anybody wants to share anything, or should we end it?
आज के इसमें सेशन में ब्रेक बहुत आ रहा है कनेक्टिविटी का.
हाँ. Yes.
हेलो
So
और बीच में डिस्कनेक्ट भी हो रहा है. थोड़ा सा पावर का इश्यू भी हमारे इधर में, इसलिए.
okay. So I think I just want to give thanks to Prachi for coming and sharing her wonderful experience and helping everyone today on this platform, all those people who have come today, of how and she will be a great support to all of us for like guidance, and she will coach many of us to how you can grow your business even in COVID. So I special thanks to Prachi ma'am, and I congratulate her for all the success that she has achieved, and may she achieve this success 10 years down the line, and we all want to see you as a global leader. So
Yes.
that is what we want. Yes. So thank you, Prachi. Yeah, and we will end the session. So last but not the least, remember the definition of COVID. This is my definition of COVID. That bring courage, be more opportunistic, find more opportunities, and be more intelligent, be more wise in COVID, take care of your health, and be determined. Whatever problem you're facing, even if it is a health problem, even if you are suffering from COVID, just take care of your health, find more solutions so that you become more healthy. That is what you need to do. Be determined, be courageous, be more open to opportunities. जो मिल रहा है वो करिए. Don't go into blame mode, or don't go into any suffering that COVID है, मैं business कैसे चलाऊं. इस negativity से बाहर निकलना है. पूरी तरह इस negativity से बाहर निकलना है. ये negativity में आपको रहना ही नहीं है कि COVID है अभी तो मुझे business नहीं मिलेगा, मुझे clients कहाँ से मिलेंगे, ये करना ही नहीं है. आपको जो आपको चाहिए उसके ऊपर आपको फोकस करना है. Expand whatever you want, you just focus on that, because whatever you think, whatever you focus on, it expands more. अगर आप ग्लोबली जो चल रहा है वो आप देख के डरेंगे, सफरिंग में जाएंगे, आप सोचोगे कि मैं बिजनेस कैसे करूं. अगर आप फियरलेस नहीं बनेंगे, आप वॉरियर नहीं बनेंगे, तो कोविड को आप फेस नहीं कर पाओगे, बिकॉज दिस इज द सिचुएशन. एवरीवन ऑन दिस ग्लोब
is basically compelled, हमें हमारे अंदर के courageous attitude को बाहर निकालने के लिए नेचर ने हमें कंपेल किया है आज, ना कि हमें डरना है, हमें एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट बिहेव करना है, हमें फियरलेस होना है, मोर पॉजिटिव बनना है। जितना नेगेटिविटी है बाहर, उससे ज्यादा आपको अपने अंदर रोज पॉजिटिविटी रोज डालनी है, रोज रोज आपको वो डालना है आपके अंदर। एंड मेरा ये सजेशन है सबको कि बहुत सारे लोग न्यूज देखते रहते हैं कंटिन्यूसली, तो न्यूज बहुत ज्यादा मत देखिए, क्योंकि उससे आपका माइंड नेगेटिव प्रोग्राम हो रहा है। और जितना आप वो देखते रहेंगे, आपके बॉडी में स्ट्रेस आएगा, आपका इम्यून सिस्टम डाउन होता है। सो ज्यादा आप बहुत ज्यादा न्यूज देख के, काफी सारे लोग मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि हमें फियर आ रहा है मैम, मुझे डर लग रहा है, तो डर के कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। आपको प्रिकॉशंस लेने हैं, आपको आपका इम्यून सिस्टम बढ़ाना है। डू वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू improve your immune system. Yoga, pranayam, Ayurvedic medicines, oxygen, there are so many things that have come up. So work on solutions. Yes sir, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे?
Excellent.
हेलो हेलो।
हाँ बोलिए।
हाँ, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि ये जो हमने आज सेशन किया है 11 बजे से लेके अभी जो भी टाइम है, तो ये हम रोज कर सकते हैं क्या? तो क्या है ना कि अब अगर
नहीं,
सुनो अगर
ये जो
रोज
क्लब
या
है, ये
एक दिन
क्लब जो है,
एक दिन बाद भी अगर हम लोग करते हैं ना, तो थोड़ा तो भी पॉजिटिव सब लोग हो जाएंगे।
No, this thing is basically for business. Okay, I'm going to launch a course for COVID. Okay, so in that course, definitely we can meet every day, and I have my other trainings also, Samruddha Jagruti, where I'm helping businessmen, and it is open for all to become more prosperous. So, वो training sir आप join करिए. So in that every day there are meditations, trainings, mind programming, coming out of the negativity. Everything is there. Yes. Rishabnath sir, please you can play that thing, okay? Because I'm not having that song. Okay. So now we will end it. Rishabnath sir, you can play that.
All please stand up.
Yeah. We will play Vande Mataram and we will end this session. Yeah. Thank you, sir, for doing that.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujala Sasya-shyamala Vande Mataram, Shukla-jyotsna Pulakitayamini Mulla-kusumi Drumadana-shokini Suhasini Sumadhurabhashini Sukhadam Mataram Vande Mataram
भारत माता की
जय
जय, भारत माता की जय. Thank you so much today for joining for this wonderful session, and we will be keeping these meetings again, and every month we will be keeping a new entrepreneur on our entrepreneurs rocket ship. And Samruddha Bharat Jagruti is inviting you to join other trainings, business club. All these plans will be put up in the groups. So I welcome you all on the stage, and may you prosper in your life at all levels, and be safe, be a warrior in COVID. Remember the definition. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone.
Tipping Purre, all the
Thank you,
best.
everyone.
Nice session.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.